Flooding has always been a recurring problem in Jakarta for decades, but one of the main causes is not just heavy rain, it's what's under our feet. Clogged sewers filled with plastic waste, sediment, and debris reduce water flow and cause drains to overflow. Cleaning them manually is dangerous, expensive, and often ineffective. And that's why we created SewerSweep V2.0, an automated sewer cleaning robot designed to prevent blockages before floods can even happen.
SewerSweep 2.0 is compact, low profile, and built specifically for rough sewer conditions. It focuses on three main parts: debris collection, filtration, and reliable movement.
Compared to our first prototype, the V2.0 is far more stronger, wider, and far more efficient. For the structure of the robot, we use a reinforced PVC chassis, which is not only rigid, cost-effective, but also corrosion-resistant, making it suitable for long-term sewer applications. As for the netting bed system, we incorporated it later so that it will be able to trap foreign debris such as leaves, plastics, and sediments that can clog the sewers.
At the core of our robot is our multi-layered zeolite-infused filtration system. This filtration system consists of 5 layers: gravel, fine sand, biochar created from local bamboo, zeolite, and activated carbon. This filter filters organic waste, cleans the water from ammonium exchange of zeolite, as well as remove odor from the water.
One major challenge in sewer robots is that the motors can get easily jammed due to the debris. However, in SewerSweep 2.0, we fixed this by using a rotary motor flap system. Instead of pulling waste inwards, it pushes water and other debris outwards, allowing the motor to keep moving on even in congested areas. This significantly improves the robot's reliability and its ability to work without continuous maintenance, even in heavy operations. We tested the SewerSweep version 2.0 in a controlled water environment to simulate sewer conditions. The result shows that it has successfully navigated through uneven surfaces. It has also picked up debris and also shows some water filtrations. So this is a very clear demonstration of how it has improved from the previous prototype.
SewerSweep V2.0 shows how automation and engineering can be used to solve real-world urban problems. By preventing blockages before floods can even occur, we reduce the risk of flooding, improve safety, and support the sustainable infrastructure growth in Jakarta.